Melbourne. Bit of TLC for the Landcruiser. What's happening? Time for a new gearbox and clutch. Still got an NPC clutch sitting and waiting to go in. And new gearbox having problems with reverse and with fourth gear. Got that X-bar too, eh? Had that fitted in Adelaide. Hey punters, just doing a oil change on the new gearbox. Gotta make sure, I suppose, when you're emptying oil out of stuff, that you've got a bucket big enough. I did a quick search because I wasn't quite sure of the capacity of the engine box. Obviously I checked the wrong gearbox. Search I came up with said 1.5 litres. That's 2 litres, and I've already had a 1 litre container full. Already disposed of it, so it's probably close to 3 litres. This is the oil that's recommended by the 360 gearbox and diffs down in Melbourne. So I've got to stick some oil in it now. Oh, this is the gearbox. They stick a new bell housing on as well, a new clutch slave cylinder. 24mm. That's the filling plug there. Drain plug there. So I've already drained it. Now I've got to get some oil on there. I made sure I could get my oil filling container, you've already seen it, into there first. Always make sure you can get the filling plug off first before draining it, because if you can't and you drain your diff and you drain your gearbox, a bit hard to get oil back into there. So that's what I've done at the moment. Just stick this out of the way, and I'm going to try and get some oil into there without making too much of a mess. As I mentioned, I've already squeezed 2 litres of oil in there now. Going to put that waste oil into those 2 containers. I'll have to get another 1 litre container tomorrow. Probably buy 2 just to be safe. Top the rest of it up tomorrow morning. Back at it. Couldn't get a 1 litre container, so I've got a 2 litre container. I hate these filler caps because they don't seal very well. Yeah, I'm gonna have a crack and see how we go. See how much mess I can make. Well, it seems to be okay, which is cool. And you just fill these up until the oil drips out of the filler hole. The oil's just dripping out of that now. I'm just going to stick a little bit more in just to make sure. And if it's about the same, I'll put the plug back in. That's it all done now. Something you should be aware of when you top these up, clean up as much oil as you can. If you don't have a pressure cleaner like me, just be aware that these do get pretty hot, so you'll probably smell a bit of burning gearbox oil for a while.